Time is one of the strangest experiences of human life. A single minute can feel endless when we are bored, anxious, or waiting. Yet years can disappear in what feels like moments. As children, summers felt infinite. As adults, entire years vanish in the blink of an eye. So the question is, why does time feel faster as we grow older? The surprising answer is, time itself never changes. 1 second today is exactly the same length as 1 second 1,000 years ago. What changes is how the brain processes and remembers time. To understand this, we must first understand how the brain measures time. Unlike clocks, the brain does not measure time using seconds or minutes. Instead, it measures time through memories, attention, and emotional intensity. Our sense of time is built from experiences, not numbers. When we are young, almost everything in life is new. New faces. New places. New emotions. New discoveries. Each new experience activates the brain strongly, creating rich, detailed memories. The hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory formation, becomes highly active. Because so many strong memories are being formed, childhood feels long and full. When we look back, our brain sees thousands of memory markers, so that period feels extended. But as we grow older, life becomes predictable and repetitive. We wake up at the same time. Follow similar routines. Travel the same routes. Meet the same people. When experiences become repetitive, the brain stops recording them in detail. It switches to automatic mode. This saves energy, but it also reduces memory formation. Fewer new memories equal to shorter perceived time. This is why entire months can feel like they disappeared. In reality, your brain simply didn't record many unique moments. This phenomenon is known in psychology as temporal compression. Another powerful factor is relative time perception. When you are 5 years old, 1 year represents 20% of your entire life. When you are 40, 1 year represents only 2.5%. So your brain judges time relatively, not absolutely. Each passing year becomes a smaller fraction of your lived experience, making it feel shorter. This shrinking proportion creates the powerful illusion that time is speeding up. Neuroscience also shows that dopamine, a neurotransmitter related to novelty and reward, plays a major role in time perception. New experiences release high levels of dopamine. This enhances memory formation and makes moments feel longer and richer. Repetitive experiences release much less dopamine, making time feel compressed and fast. This is why, traveling to a new place makes time feel slower, learning something new stretches your sense of time, routine workdays feel like they vanish. Stress also dramatically affects time perception. When the brain is under chronic stress, it enters survival mode. In this state, the brain prioritizes efficiency over awareness. Attention narrows, memory formation weakens, and emotional overload increases. This makes time feel like it is slipping away uncontrollably. Modern life intensifies this effect. Technology floods our brains with rapid information. Notifications, scrolling, short videos, instant replies, multitasking. This constant stimulation trains the brain to process information faster and faster, compressing our sense of time. We experience more events per hour, making days feel shorter and more rushed. Scientists call this cognitive acceleration. There is also a biological clock inside the brain, the circadian rhythm, which regulates sleep, alertness, hormones, and time awareness. Disrupted sleep, artificial light, screen exposure, and irregular schedules disturb this system, further distorting our perception of time. This is why poor sleep makes days blur together. Interestingly, when humans experience fear or danger, time seems to slow down. During emergencies, the brain releases adrenaline, heightening awareness and memory formation. This creates extremely detailed memories, making the moment feel longer. This is known as time dilation under stress. So time feels slow when, emotions are intense, attention is focused, memory formation is strong and time feels fast. When life becomes routine, attention is divided, experiences are repetitive, the brain runs on autopilot. This reveals something profound. Time is not measured by clocks. It is measured by consciousness. The more aware we are, the longer life feels. The more automatic we become, the faster life passes. This is why mindfulness, meditation, travel, creativity, and learning new skills can slow time down. They reactivate attention, emotion, and memory. Science shows that when people deliberately create novel experiences, their sense of time expands again. Life regains depth. So why does time feel fast? Because our brain has become efficient. Because life becomes predictable. Because novelty fades. Because attention fractures. Time is not running away. We are simply recording less of it. And this gives us a powerful choice. We cannot slow the clock. But we can slow our experience of life. By living consciously. By seeking new experiences. By learning, exploring, feeling, and observing. Because in the end, life is not counted in years. It is counted in moments we truly remember. And when we live fully, time stops flying, it starts meaning something.